Hello friends, my name is Pranay and in our last session we learned how to install SCCM server. Today we learn how to create boundaries. So this is our two servers, this is our DC and this is our SCCM server. So first of all we go to configuration manager. I can make it large. Okay. So first of all we need to go to administration, then we need to go to hierarchy configuration, then we need to go to boundaries, then we need to create a boundary. We need to provide any kind of name here. I can make it IT geek. Okay, what kind of boundary you want to give? IP subnet, active directory, we will provided IP range. So we need to know our IP range. So as we can see, this is our IP range 1009. Okay, so I will make it 1009 1009.254. Click on apply, click on OK, then go to boundary groups, then create. This is our default boundary group. We can create a new boundary group. Okay, then we need to add our boundary here, which we made in boundaries. Okay, then we need to go to apply references, then we need to click here, we need to select our assigned side, and then we need to add our server. Click on apply, click on OK. Okay, so now our boundary is created. Now what we need to do, we need to discover our machines. So what we need go here, Active Directory system discovery, Active Directory user discovery, so we can find our users, systems, groups, multiple forest, the heartbeat discovery, machines are running or not, network discovery, everything. So first of all we can go to here, system discovery. Okay, enable it, click on star. Okay, so here our Active Directory is blank, so it doesn't provide any kind of data, so we can give the whole directory. Click on OK, click on apply. Yes, it will run and check our Active Directory and find out if he found any kind of systems there. So then we need to go to assets, then we need to go to devices. It will check and it will found our one machines. So here we only have one machine in our network, so it found one machine SCCM here. This is x64, this is the default one, x86 and x64. This is for 64-bit machines and this is for 32-bit. In our next lesson we learn how to install SCCM client. Thank you.